Hi, this is Conrad, and I'm going to teach you some Java. First, we're going to learn the difference between dot equals method and equals equals. Here we have some code, and we set 4 different variables equal to different things. So here, string 1 is equal to high, and string 2 is equal to high. And in here, we're asking is string 1 equal to string 2. Now, you use dot equals because dot equals checks if two string objects contain the same letters, and it checks if two objects have the same information depending on your situation. But the equals sign over here, it only checks if two values are equal or if two objects have the same memory reference. So basically, it checks if they're equal, and if they are equal, it prints out the strings are equal. And if they're not equal, it prints out the strings are not equal in this if statement. That's for example 1. But for example 2, two different numbers, number 1 and number 2, are set to 1 and 2. And we use equals equals because they're numbers, or like values. And if they are equal, it prints the numbers are equal, and if they're not equal, it prints the numbers are not equal. It's pretty simple stuff. Now I'm gonna go compile this and test it. Gonna run the method, and right here, example 1, it prints the strings are equal because they are both equal to high. String 1 is equal to high and string 2 is equal to high. As for the example 2, the numbers aren't equal because number 1 is equal to 1 and number 2 is equal to 2, and since it compares if they're equal, it says false because they're not equal, so it returns the numbers are not equal. Alright, now for some questions. Do you use dot equals when comparing two numbers? The answer is no. You would use equals equals because it's two different values. Question number 2. Does the statement x equals equals 1 set x equal to 1? The answer is no. It checks if they are equal. And the last question is correct the block of code below to check if the two strings are equal. Because this code is incorrect and it does not check if the two strings are equal. The answer is right here. Instead of using equals equals for the two strings, you use dot equals. Yep, that's it. Once again, the goal was to understand the difference between dot equals and equals equals. Thanks for watching.